Okay, we are here to do a repair test for Mike Brown. So what we're going to do is we're going to pull out this damaged shingle here, and we're going to put in a temporary repair with Owens Corning Brownwood, which was the recommended ITEL similar matching shingle. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so we got this. Got this loose. As you can see, these shingles are incredibly brittle just from manipulating it with a roof snake here. I mean, it's completely separated, broken off any lamination that there was left to this shingle. And up above, all these have become delaminated. There's absolutely nothing left of these shingles. They're incredibly brittle. Nearly impossible to try and repair this without damaging everything around it and having to replace everything. So let's go ahead and pop in this Brownwood shingle. Okay, and just to note here, we are tight, butted up here on the seam, and then you come down here, we're overlapping. So the shingles, over the course of 20 years, the dimensions have changed slightly. So this is in fact not a matching repair. With it overlapping like that, that's going to completely affect the water shedding ability. We're going to have a leak point here, and that goes for any repair that would have to be done on this roof. So for now, we'll temporarily put this in and Okay, so we got that all tacked back into place. As you can see, if we stand a little farther away, the colors have also changed in the brownwood shingle. So the older ones are a little more red, the new ones are much more brown. So that does not blend at all. Again, right here we got Owens Corning brownwood. This is the shingle. My professional opinion, this is not repairable whatsoever. These shingles are far too brittle. All we're going to do is create more problems and more leak points by trying to remove individual shingles without replacing everything. So this repair test is a fail.